Yeah, just got here and getting bites already. Unfortunately, I think it's much like the other spot. Just little things. Just. Oh, wow! We got him. We got him. Yeah, he's not very big. Hey, another carp. Well, he's bigger than, at least he's bigger than those little dinks we were catching over at the other spot. Not big by any means. Probably about, yeah, let's see, he's about 30 centimeters. Nice silver color on him though. So I've actually switched spots. I've come back by Willoughby's, the boat ramp at Willoughby's Beach. This has been closed for months and just reopened while we were gone on holidays. So a little bit of shade over here, so I thought I'd give this a go, see if we get away from those little dinks. It was still a small carp, but it was better than those little things that duck was eating. But hopefully we can get on something bigger. I don't think he's real big. I think it's current more than anything. Right up in here now. Oh, what's this? Oh yes, here we go. It's a nice silver perch. Very nice silver perch. There we go. Yes. Oh, that might be a PB. Very nice. Just short of my personal best. He is 36 centimeters. My best is 37. But very nice. And nice to catch something other than a carp. Fortunately, we can't keep them here. They're protected, so. Go on, dude. There we go. He shall live to see another day. So we're just using worms tonight. Earlier today when I was out, I was using bread and worms. Caught the majority of the fish on the worms, but thought I'd just try the worms tonight and hope for catching something different. And it worked. Well, he's not very big. He's not very big at all. Not even putting up a fight. And I see why. Oh, dink fest today. My goodness, how much smaller can they get? That is just a little guy. Yeah, little taps again. There we go. Another one. Still there. Yep. Oh, that's another little dinky one. Oh. There we go, just another little dink. I think I got another one. Might be a little bit bigger than the last few. Feels like it anyway, but still nothing huge. Yeah, there's hooked funny. A little bit bigger. Just a little bit. There we go. He is a little bit bigger than the other ones. He's probably 27, 28 centimeters. Dark colored. But I believe that's 10 on the day. Yep. Oh. There we go. Just another little one. Jeez. At least he's trying to put up a fight. Yeah. Oh my goodness. There we go. That is number 11. Oh, jeez. They're getting smaller. They are just getting smaller. My goodness, I don't even know how that gets on a hook. That's 12. Oh, we got another little one. Another little one. Another little one. There we go. That's 13. Yeah, this one didn't get off. Oh, that's another little one. Yeah, I think that'll do me for the night. They are just inundated over here. There we go. Lucky number 14. Well, 14 fish. What are you going to say? But would have liked something a little bigger. But the definite highlight was that silver perch, just a centimeter away from my personal best. That'll definitely add to the total though for the $5,000 giveaway. So for those of you that picked in the hundreds, I got a feeling you might be in trouble. The good news is, at least back here behind Memorial Park is now open again, and we can do some fishing. So I'll explore a few more spots here in the next couple of weeks. Hopefully we can get onto a cod. That would be nice. Appreciate you watching, and until next time, keep fishing.